Hi, this is Ross with Car Epoxy Floors, Newport Richey, Florida. Today we're in New Tampa and we're about to start a 3-car garage. We're going to do baseboards in here as well. So we're all set to start grinding in a few minutes. And some pretty good sized cracks here that we'll fix. Probably see a little bit more once we get this coating off. So there's quite a bit here, there, everywhere. We're going to go under this hot water heater stand. We detail in the baseboards. So let's get started. Okay, all done. 3-car garage with baseboards. Top coat is down. So we incorporated in the hot water heater, a little bit of piping, and the driving stop block. We didn't check it in so it wouldn't be a trip hazard, so you could actually see it. So this is a 3-car garage. We removed the top coat. It was a previous coating is what I should say. It's previous coating on this floor that we removed. Got down to white concrete. Did a lot of repairs, a lot of crack repairs, some spalling here and there, but otherwise not bad shape at all. You can see we have that nice seamless surface, which we're always going for. Here's the lead edge into the garage. And this color is Dolphin. Looks good. Thanks for watching.